What's going on, James Bondies here. In this video, I'm going to go through running a campaign in the gym niche or personal trainer niche. And I'm going to go through that. I'm going to go through the costs that you should understand when running them on Facebook. This is a Facebook campaign. It's a offer campaign, and it was one of the better ones that we've run when we were running it. I mean, listen, Alex Hormozy's got nothing on us. The gym guy. No, just kidding. But matter of fact, back in 2016, the first time I met Alex Hormozy, I met him backstage at the ClickFunnels event. And I don't think he knew this, but we were always in competition with him. Obviously, he's completely blown us out of the water. But this is a very similar campaign to the ones that he runs. Very simple offer campaigns. And we were running them back in 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm trying to think of when we no longer had a gym client, but all of our students run this campaign for the last 10 years. Or 7 years of students. And so I do want to share this one with you. Again, I want to emphasize that simplicity wins. Okay. And I want to actually show you in this one, we call it our OG funnel that worked like ridiculously well. And let's take a look on my screen. So if I click the OG funnel, by the way, this is in a snapshot. You can go to highlevelrewards.com, opt in over there, watch that video to learn how you can get all of this stuff for free. But take a look at our OG funnel. People still run this. Okay, this is it. Like, this is our OG funnel. But I did recently, in the last year, changed it to this. Okay. Yes, it looks better, but essentially what we're doing is we are creating an irresistible offer, right? 21-day pass. Now, I want to emphasize this. You're not running this for like a Planet Fitness that charges $5 a month. That business model, believe it or not, is like falling apart by the wayside. I don't know if it was COVID or whatever. And so we want to run this to personal trainers, anything specialized in the fitness industry, because that's where you're going to get the $150 to $250 a month, and they have the money to run the ads. The Planet Fitness, other than the franchise money, right? They don't. The actual franchise owner doesn't even have any money. Most gyms go out of business. But personal trainers and specialized gyms like OHM, Orange Theory, like these things are higher price, so they know what their customer value is worth and is willing to put in the money to get them, and they can offer them a $21 7-day pass, a $21 21-day pass, which this one is, and so it's $1 a day, and they'll probably get like 3, 4, 5 workouts. And they can choose to stay or not. Okay. I don't have to explain this landing page. It's pretty simple to understand. This is why this is plug and play. But I do want to go through the philosophy kind of behind this. We have a very big in-your-face opt-in form. They claim their pass. They go to a thank you page that looks like this. Call us to claim it. Okay. You can do click to call. What you get for 21 days, and again, this should all be changed. 21 days of unlimited small group cross training. This was a cross trainer. You could change this to whatever you want. Okay, you get that. And so as I go through here, you want to put some client testimonials there, and so you could run with the regular gym funnel that we have here, or you could choose the OG one. It's up to you. Edit it as you want. Then if I go over to automations, we have our gym follow-up sequence. Okay, you could beautify this one as well. Okay, this one's not in the templates. I should put them in the templates, but I'll probably update that snapshot and get them in the templates. But anyway, triggers the form, 21-day free pass, or 21, not free, $21 21-day pass. And so that's ready for you as well. But let's take a look at the numbers. So what we want to do is run this only on Facebook. This is an offer campaign. So it's $21 for 21 days, unlimited fitness classes. You could do $7 for 7 days. You could do $0 for 7 days. We just found that $0 will get a lot more leads, but they will be a lower quality lead than if you charge them, okay? And our conversion is going to be form submits right off the landing page. Average cost per lead, $15 to $25 per lead. And the conversion rate is around 20 to 30%. 50% convert to full members after the 20 to 30%. Okay. Facebook campaign type is going to be a conversion campaign. If you are really good at Facebook ads, you may want to do another type of campaign, but conversion is what we do. And also, if you don't know how to run Facebook ads, that's even more of a reason to go get GoHighLevel, the software we use, on that 30-day trial. Link down below, or comment down below, and I'll send you the private link to go get access to watch the video where I explain how to get access to all these bonuses that we get. Or you could upgrade your current GoHighLevel under us, and you get access to this stuff as well. And our ad set name, we can name it just so we know what it is. Here's our gender, address, plus 5 miles. An example would be address, 5 miles in brackets, female, 35 plus. If it's a male, right, then you could choose whatever your client knows what his best market is. We're going to do desktop and mobile placements, Facebook feed only, uncheck everything else. Conversion lead, which would be on the thank you page. Budget, $10 a day, nothing crazy. Location would be the client's gym address plus that 5 mile radius. Now, if you're very spread out, you can go 10 miles. Age and gender, it's your client's demographic. Detailed targeting, leave blank. Optimization for ad delivery, leave as a default for conversions. And the window is 1 day click. Okay. We're going to do a video or an image. All right. That's what we're going to do. Destination, client's business Facebook page. Ad type, video, you got to upload it, or an image. Display URL, leave it blank. Text, headline, newsfeed, link in the description, see ads. Call to click button, sign up. Tracking, select all conversions from Facebook Pixel, okay? And this is what the ad would look like. You call out the city. Hey, Wayne, New Jersey, we're giving just a few more first-time visitors 21 days of unlimited cross-training classes for $21. People looking to get fit, increase strength, and boost energy and getting hooked on this fun and amazing full body workout. Grab a pass here while you still can. Link to landing page. Okay, that would be the link that you're going to create to the snapshot if you get GoHighLevel under us. And then down here, want 21 days of unlimited cross-training classes for $21. Whatever, you can see down below, it says the new year is coming. You can't get results if you don't take action. So this is perfect to run now as we're going into the new year. And now we're going to have Black Monday, Friday. You're going to have all these opportunities for your clients to run specials, okay? So this would be a perfect time to do this. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, I'm not going to go through a funnel training because you don't need a funnel training. If you don't know how to use the GoHighLevel software, get the 30 days under us, our affiliate link down below, or comment, and I'll send it over to you. Grab it. You got 30 days to get things up and running, and you'll get access to this private community where it's all agency owners. And this, I'm still moving people over to another community because I have coaching students in here and my affiliates in here. You get support every Friday at 3 p.m. You can head over to the classroom, right? You get access to a GoHighLevel Agency Mastery course when you first get the trial and you're in the trial. And I go through all this stuff, agency setup, how to run lead generation campaigns, and then setting it up A to Z, so on and so forth. So if this is something that you feel you need, support a community and to actually learn the software without having to learn everything that you don't need to learn in the software, now is the time. Jump in for 30 days for free. Not every affiliate has that. Plus, I'm trying to give you everything you can to get your first win. Why? Because then you'll stick with the software. I'll continue to get paid. You'll stay through the trial. I'll continue to get paid. And then maybe, just maybe, one day you'll join our coaching program and take your agency from start to scale. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.